as the images being sent by producers are larger and larger, it's become more and more important that we manually resize the image before uploading it to WordPress. Take, for example, this one we're going to work on now. You can see here that it's 3.1 megabytes in size, which is enormous. Whereas we're looking for something that's more like, here's one that I've resized. The same thing, looks exactly the same, only 136 kilobytes. So this is how you do that. And this is working on a Mac. Just double click it. And there are two steps. First, adjust the size. You can see here 7,000 pixels, that's enormous. Our website's only about 1,200 pixels wide. And that 300 resolution, that's print resolution. So reduce the resolution to 110, sorry, and reduce the width to 1200. And you can see here it's going to be 16.8% of its original size. It's calculating file size now. Look, only 149 kilobytes. Click OK. That's what it will look at on the site. It's perfectly clear. It's the right size to go at the top of to go into a review. Now, not all images will reduce the file size enough just by doing that. If you do that process and instead of getting down to 149 or 136, you're still at 500 or 600, then there is a second process you can do. And it's this, export. Export it as a JPEG always, and then it gives you this slider to choose the quality. And you can see here by changing that, it'll read it. See, that goes down to 85 kilobytes. Probably even that would be fine, but let's go up a little bit. Let's try 104. Let's see what 113 looks like. See, that one's now 115. So let's compare them. That's 115 kilobytes. Looks fine. That's 136 kilobytes. Really looks just the same. So you can see that the supposed reduction in quality is really not something that's visible at the size that we're looking at these images on the screen. And there's no reason for any image that that we're using on the reviews website to be more than 130, 140 kilobytes, and in fact it probably could be considerably less.